I'm telling you, man, you should go for it. If you don't soon, then someone else will. More power to them, then. I frankly can't believe you are continuing to keep the joke going. Because I'm not joking. Oh, how comforting. It's not just me, though. Hey, newbie.
Ryan, don't call them that.
That girl who keeps coming in, she's got a crush on Sydney, right? They clearly don't know who you're talking about. Come on, you know the one I'm talking about. They just so happen to always show up during Sid's shifts. Long black hair, she has that blue bag with a fox on it. Ha! What did I say? What did I
not
say?
You two. What on earth would make you think that? There is no look she gives me. You're making that up.
Fluffy there has the right idea. Whenever you take her order and you start walking away, she makes those goo-goo eyes at you.
How descriptive. Anyway, even if they do, which they don't, I don't have time for a partner right now. With work and college, I have far too much on my plate.
Too bad, because she just walked in.
Oh, really?
No, but it would have been so funny if she had, though. Once again, you hit the nail right on the head. You seemed pretty cheerful when you thought she was coming in.
Do you not have a table to take care of?
Yeah, enough with the excuses, you little rattlesnake. Just go over to her, give her those hypno eyes you got there, you snake charmer, you.
You know, you are very frequently wildly offensive.
Come on, I'm only teasing.
Yes, well, it still doesn't justify your bad ideas, sheep boy.
Okay, first of all, ram boy, you girl. Second, I'll overlook what you just said if you have a chat with her the next time she's in. Not just like a quick hi, how are you, but like actually get to know her a little.
Oh, whatever gets you off my case.
Good, because she just walked in.
I'm not falling for that one again.
No joke, she just walked in and is heading to your section.
You are both the absolute worst.
Whatever, go get her.
They're gonna be a cute couple, aren't they?
So, how are things with you? Yeah, I get that. Not particularly ideal at the moment. You mentioned before Julian. Julian, that was your roommate's name, right? Cool. You mentioned he'd lost his job. Has he had any luck with getting a new one?
Oh, that sucks.
No, I'm just asking because, you know, I've seen you picking up more shifts. I wanted to make sure you were doing alright. I can imagine money's tight, but hey, you're tough, and from what I've heard, he sounds it too, so you've got this. Anything I can do to help, just let me know. Nah, I don't know
anyone looking to hire at the moment. Well, I mean, my friend Reggie needs his fence painted, but I don't think that's what you're looking for. Gotta admit, I'm not super familiar with job hunting. You know what they say about getting your foot in the door? I don't like to toot my own horn, Whiskers, but I'm pretty great. So is there, like, anything you can do given the situation? It feels like there should be some sort of government thing that you could get to help out. You know, him taking you in and all that. That would require Julian to be their official caregiver. Legally, they would have to adopt them, and you would have to quit your job. Really? Oh, bummer. That's stupid. Welfare laws are complicated and a pain to deal with. Yeah, how do you know so much about those? I had to look through the legal processes when I was applying for college. It's always good to look for financial aid when it could apply. No. Unfortunately, I don't know of anyone hiring either. Man, it's brutal out there. How did it get this bad? And wait, how did you get out of telling us what happened with your admirer? Come on. Come on. Come on, tell me. It was fine. They were perfectly pleasant. Yeah, come on, more. She's originally Irish. Come on, man, what's her name? Come on, spit it out. Siasha. Come on, laugh. Why would I laugh? Listen, buddy, I'm sorry about pressuring you. You know, with the name thing, not with the talking to her. That you needed to do. Well, we did have a nice little chat. There you go, come on, victory for the day, let's go! Thanks. I appreciate that. Oh, Sid! I go and hype you up, but they say a couple of nice things about you. Where's my thanks? Come on, man. Kidding. You did good. Okay, back to the issue at hand. How are we going to help the newbie here? So Julian is super bummed at the moment. I mean, there's gotta be something we can do to get his spirits up. I don't have to help. I want to help. I don't have to do anything, but I'm gonna help anyway. You appreciate him, and you want to show him how much he means to you. I'm going to help, and that's not a negotiable term. When's your birthday? Damn. Well, Michael gives us a free full meal on our birthdays. I was thinking maybe you could persuade Michael into letting you give your meal to Julian. But if yours isn't for a while, then it would be harder to persuade Michael to give free food to someone else.
Genius idea, Sid. My birthday is next week. We can do a swap with that. Nah, it's no problem. I'm already set and chill. Nope, too late. Can't change my mind. Well, I mean, if you really want to, you can give me your birthday meal when it comes around, okay? Nice. You still need to let Michael know. Yo, leave it to me. I can be very persistent. We know. We know. Huh? Oh, right, my table. Cool, I've got food to run. Catch you later, crocodiles. He was a gator boy, she said see you later boy. She was afraid he'd eat her hand. I'm sure there are other words. I'm not quite sure how he still has this job. Anyway, you have a table you should attend to as well.